Now that we have a basic web page, a template, what I want to do is add a little bit of content to this. There's plenty of content that we can add, but I'm really going to concentrate on a couple of tags or elements. And the first one is a paragraph tag, and we need a start one and we need an end one. I've just separated them by a couple of rows so I can write something in here. So I can write, this is a paragraph, and save my work. And when I refresh my home page, it comes up with, this is a paragraph. Now, when I write in Notepad++, if I put a second line in saying this is a line break, I would expect this is a paragraph, as I've got here, and beneath it on the web page I'd expect this is a line break, but that's not what happens. In web pages, you are responsible for saying how the content appears on the page, and everything you put on the page just starts in the top left hand corner and goes right the way across to the right hand side, depending on the width of your browser. If you make it smaller, it will get to this point and then it will wrap around underneath. Obviously, if you've got a larger browser, you'll be able to display more information before it wraps around. So let me show you that. I've got this is a line break. So if I refresh the page, it's not going to appear underneath, it's going to appear right next to the word, this is a paragraph. There you go. This is a line break. So to actually make it appear beneath the paragraph, I need to put a line break on the end of the word paragraph, and I do that with a BR, a break tag. Now this is an empty tag, it's a single tag. And don't forget, if we've got single tags, we could finish them off with their own end-in tag, but we're not bothering with that at the moment. So that's a line break tag, and what it will do is it forces the browser to display the next line right beneath. So if I save that and refresh the page, there we go, we now get it as required. And I can have one on the end, or I can have one at the beginning. In fact, I can have one wherever I like. So I've just put a break tag on the front of the line break, and what that will do is give me 2 line breaks, so I'll get a blank line in between. And there we go. So this actually looks like a paragraph. So that is adding content to a page with paragraphs and line breaks.